Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and farm clay on Stardew Valley. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first step would be simply for you to access your Stardew Valley, and you have to go to the beach nearby. Once you're here in this section, all you have to do is simply get yourself your particular equipment and start finding a spot right there on the beach and start digging. You have to continue start digging so you can simply access the clay. So you can see right now we have digged this hole. All you have to do is, once you have got your equipment, all you have to do is simply click on the ground floor where you would like to dig, right? All afterwards you can simply choose to pick an equipment for right over here and simply cover it the place and make it clean, and again start digging. You will be able to acquire clay, again farm clay right over there. So there is no correct way for you to pinpoint and let you know that this spot might have the clay. All you have to do is pick a spot and start digging the holes so you can get the clay. So this is basically the step. Make sure to do it again and again when you want to acquire clay so badly, and you will be able to. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.